We have shocking and tragic news coming in. This is breaking news coming in of two class 11 boys who have been held for shooting a classmate with the father's licensed pistol. This is a very shocking incident with the Gurugram police there. They have apprehended the two juveniles for allegedly shooting their 17-year-old classmate with a licensed pistol belonging to one of the accused father. This took place at about 9 o'clock on a Saturday night in Gurugram. The victim, also a class 11 student, is undergoing treatment at the Medanta hospital in Gurugram and remains to be in critical condition. According to the police, the incident took place late on Saturday, and this was under the jurisdiction. As far as the police station is concerned, the police team received information from the control room about a boy being shot and was immediately they sprung into action, and action is being taken. The two juveniles behind that shootout have now been taken into custody. My colleague Anushka joining us. Anushka, such a shocking incident. This is a licensed weapon that was taken by one of this class 11 student, the gun that apparently belonged to his father, and was used against this other kid belonging to their class, another class 11 student. What was the bone of contention here? What led to this incident?
That's right, where the shocking incident has emerged from Gurugram in Sector 48, where late night yesterday a juvenile had called his friend to meet him at the Khidki Daula toll plaza. When the victim was in fact not willing to go to the spot where this other boy was in fact calling him. After that, he was in fact convinced that the boys will in fact take him from his home. Then he agreed to go to the location at Sector 48. Is what we are getting to know, that this incident has in fact taken place, where a juvenile who's a class 11 student has shot his friend from the licensed weapon of his father. The police has in fact recovered the weapon of crime, and has in fact also said that any of the people who are in fact in possession of the licensed weapon, they should be careful about how they are keeping it in their house, because this is not the first incident that has taken place where a kid has taken the licensed weapon from their house and has shot somebody who they had an issue with. Now, what remains the bone of contention here is that both of the students had in fact an argument 2 months back, after which the boy had in fact called the victim and had told him to meet him at his home. The victim was first not willing to go there, but after some conviction, he went to the spot, and after which we saw that this incident took place near Sector 48 in Gurugram, which comes under the Sadar police station. And now we are seeing that this incident has taken place. The victim is right now in critical condition and is admitted in Medanta hospital. His whole treatment is in fact going on. The other victim, other accused, who was involved in firing, has been arrested by the police. He has been taken into juvenile care center, but we are getting to know the shocking incident that has emerged from Gurugram, where a juvenile has shot other class 11 student while they had an argument 2 months back, and because of that persisting issue, he called him to his house and shot him by the weapon of his the licensed pistol of his father. His father is a property dealer, and we are getting to know that this shocking incident has in fact taken place. Within hours, the police has arrested the accused in this case, and the victim is right now is said to be in a critical condition. Over to you.
Right, and the kind of action perhaps that will be taken against the parents as well, because of the fact that they haven't managed to safeguard something like an ammunition which was lying within the confines of their home or their office. Thank you so much.